In this video, I will explain Assignment 3, which is about analyzing and discussing open access journals. For Assignment 3 of this course, you will analyze the level of openness of particular journals, find and analyze the levels of openness of journals in your own discipline, share, discuss and compare your findings on the forum, reflect on your own open access publishing strategy. This assignment gives you hands-on experience and helps you to become aware of the different forms of open access publishing. Completing this assignment will help you grasp the basic concepts related to open access publishing. Let's discuss step 1. You will start by analyzing the level of openness of particular journals, which will take about 30 minutes. Subscription-based journals commonly provide access to journal articles after readers have paid, so access to the publication is limited. In the open access model, scientific literature is free of charge for the readers. Open access journals sometimes charge a fee from the authors, which is referred to as the article processing charge or publication fee, but this is not always the case. Watch the video of this week in which we explain the differences between various levels of openness of scientific journals and the different ways to publish open access. Sherpa Romeo gives you a good summary of the information for many journals, but not for every journal. Now have a look at the policies for publishing articles in the following 3 journals. Public Library of Science, called PLOS ONE, Electronic Transaction on Numerical Analysis, Transforming Government, People, Process and Policy. Determine for each journal what level of openness are supported, which article version can be self-archived, and if you need to pay APCs, for example. Add your responses to the section on edX devoted to Assignment 3, Step 1. In the second step of this assignment, you will find and analyze the level of openness of journals in your own discipline, which expect to take about 1 hour. Look for 2 journals in your own discipline and analyze the level of openness. Go to the edX platform and in the section devoted to Assignment 3, Step 2, take notes of the following: the name of the journal and the discipline it belongs to, a description of its open access policy, which article versions can be self-archived and where can you self-archive them. Is there an embargo period? Does the journal charge APCs? Etc. Whether or not publishing in the selected journals might have a positive impact on your career, and why. In the third step of this assignment, you will share, discuss and compare your findings from step 2 on the forum. This should take about 45 minutes. On the forum, choose the right scientific area: arts and humanities, life sciences, biomedicine, physical sciences, social sciences, or technology. This enables you to compare your findings to those of other course participants from similar and other scientific disciplines. On the forum, share the following information: the journal's disciplines, the titles of the 2 selected journals, the level of openness and how to publish open access in these journals as described under step 2. Answer questions like which article versions can be self-archived and why you can't self-archive them. Is there an embargo period? Does the journal charges APCs, etc.? The potential impact of publishing in these 2 journals on your career. Then compare your findings to those of others, preferably from similar and different disciplines. In the fourth and last step, which will take approximately 30 minutes, you will reflect on your own open access publishing strategy. Write down a few sentences with your conclusions for yourself. Take 3 to 5 words out of your findings that summarize the best what you need to pay attention to before publishing your next article, to increase the openness and accessibility of your research. Finally, go to the unit of the edX platform called Assignment 3, Step 4, and share these words in the word cloud. You are also invited to share your conclusions and any additional thoughts in the forum. These activities will ensure that you will get your grade for this part of the assignment. More information about the assessment of Assignment 3 can be found on the platform. In week 4 of this course, we will analyze your assignment responses. Based on this analysis, we will record the feedback video, which we aim to make available during the course. In this feedback video, we will reflect on the various forms of open access publishing and the different practices in open access publishing between research disciplines. Good luck with Assignment 3.